Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Typing Master 11 easily and quickly. Typing Master 11 is a fantastic tool to improve your typing speed and accuracy. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open your web browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Edge or any other browser you prefer. Next, in the address bar, type typingmaster.com and press enter. This will take you to the official Typing Master website. Once you are in the website, look for the product sections in the main menu. If you can't find the product section over here, you just come over this free download option and click on that. And then here you will get the download now option over here. If you now click on the download now, so now here you can see typingmaster11.exe is downloaded over here. Double click the file to start the installation process and install for all users. A security prompt might appear. If it does, click yes to another installation. Minimize it. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Typing Master 11. The typically includes accepting the license agreement, choosing the installation's location and clicking next a few times. And we click install and wait for the installations to complete. Once the installation is done, click finish. You can now find the Typing Master 11 into your desktop icon over here. If you're not finding it over here, just come over the start section and search for Typing Master. You can see it's over there. Now open it. And here you can see your Typing Master is loading over here. First, you have to enter your name. I'm giving my name over here and click enter. After that, just click on the launch over here and you will be able to see all of your courses over here. If you now start your first course, so you can do it. So first I remind you, it's a paid app, but you can use it for 7 days for free. And if you want to know how to activate it for entirely free, I will tell you into another video. Before that, you need to comment me that you want to know how to freely access it for lifetime. And there you have it. You have successfully downloaded and installed Typing Master 11. Start practicing and watch your typing skills improve. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy typing. See you in the next video.